Hello, and welcome to another episode in our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of preventive maintenance. We'll answer your burning question: when should you schedule preventive maintenance for your equipment? Along the way, we'll discuss scheduling strategies, point out the best applications for preventive maintenance, and even highlight instances where it might not be necessary. We'll also touch on how CMMS software can revolutionize your approach to preventive maintenance. So let's dive right into it. So you're wondering when you should perform preventive maintenance on your equipment? Well, the answer to that can vary greatly. Each piece of equipment or system within your facility may require different preventive maintenance tasks, if any at all. A good starting point is to check the original equipment manufacturer manual. This will typically provide you with preventive maintenance guidelines. But don't stop there. You'll also want to incorporate preventive maintenance decisions into your overall maintenance program. This involves balancing the cost of new equipment against the investment required to maintain it. Let's talk about when to schedule preventive maintenance. There are two common ways to do this. The first one is based on time. For example, you might decide that a particular piece of equipment should be inspected, cleaned, or maintained every few months or years. This is similar to changing the oil in your car every 3 months or your furnace filter every 6 months. The second way to schedule preventive maintenance is based on usage. Equipment that's heavily used should be serviced more frequently than machinery that's not used as often. To illustrate, you'd want to change the oil in your car every 3,000 miles, even if you drove that distance in 1 month instead of 3. Now, let's discuss the best applications for preventive maintenance. Those pieces of equipment that are critical to the operation of your business will benefit the most from preventive maintenance applications. Look for areas in your facility where a failure mode can be prevented with regular maintenance. Preventive maintenance tasks are especially beneficial for equipment that has an increased likelihood of failure as time passes or as usage increases. In these cases, you gain time, efficiency, and money. However, there are instances where you can skip preventive maintenance. For example, equipment like circuit boards, which tend to have unpredictable failures, may not need preventive maintenance. If preventive maintenance tasks cannot be correlated with better performance, they may not be worth doing. Also, preventive maintenance may not be justified on a less expensive piece of equipment that is not critical to daily operation. Finally, let's talk about helpful systems for preventive maintenance. Using CMMS software can be a game changer when planning preventive maintenance tasks. Simply program the time or usage triggers, and your CMMS system can schedule preventive maintenance tasks for your team to complete. The benefits? Record keeping, scheduling, and resource allocation become simple, automatic, and efficient. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on when and how to perform preventive maintenance on your equipment. Remember, the key is to balance the cost of new equipment against the investment required to maintain it, and to focus on preventive maintenance for those pieces of equipment that are critical to your operations. Thank you for watching this episode. We've covered preventive maintenance scheduling strategies, best applications, and instances where it might not be necessary. We also discussed how CMMS software can streamline your preventive maintenance efforts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about our services, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.